There's a video editor that never sleeps, never charges you a monthly fee, and lives right inside your computer. I know exactly how that sounds. Stay with me for 90 seconds and I promise it'll click. Guess what? For years, making a decent video meant one of two things. Either you learned a big, complicated editing program, or you paid somebody like me to do it for you. There was no third door, until now. The third door is called an AI agent. The one everybody's talking about right now is named Hermes. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like a worker that lives on your machine, remembers what you teach it, and actually does the task instead of just telling you how. Now, here's what happened a few weeks ago that made me sit up. Hermes learned how to make video, not suggest edits, not write you a script. Make the actual finished video, start to finish. The skill is called Hyperframes, and you turn it on with one line. One. After that, your agent is a video editor. And the way it works is honestly clever. Instead of dragging clips around a timeline like I've done 1,000 times, the video gets built like a web page. Text, images, audio, timing, all written in code. The agent writes that page, then it fills its own screen frame by frame and turns it into a real video file you can post anywhere. So picture this. You hand it a social media post, it gives you back a 30-second explainer. You hand it a PDF, it gives you a walkthrough video. You point it at your website, and it turns your whole site into a video. It writes the script, it does the voiceover, it animates every scene, and it renders the final file. No camera, no editing software, no me. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's magic and there's no learning curve because that's not how I talk to you. It runs in the background while it builds. You preview a rough draft, you tell it what to fix, and it re-renders. The difference is it does it the same way every time. If you've ever had captions drift or a render come back wrong, you know why that consistency is a big deal. Here's why I'm even telling you this. If you run a business in the Lowcountry, the bottleneck on video has always been time and money. This knocks both of those down hard. The people who figure this out first are going to be putting out 10 times the content their competition can, at a fraction of the cost. That's not hype. That's just math. And I'll be straight with you. This is moving fast. It's a little technical to set up, and it's not for everybody yet. But it's real, it's here, and it's only getting easier. 6 months from now, this is going to be normal. This is exactly the kind of thing we work with every day at Coastal Solutions Media. We're not here to dazzle you with buzzwords. We're here to figure out which of these actually moves the needle for your business and put it to work. So follow along. I'll keep cutting through the noise and showing you what's worth your time. And hey, this video you just watched? Ask me sometime how it got made.